Hello, my name is Silvio and I work for Guarany. Today I'd like to introduce a new concept of equipment, the Knapsack granulated product applicator. This equipment has been developed with a lot of research and experiments, always seeking to provide the operator with total safety and economy while still protecting the environment. This is a simple and precise solution to apply the most varied types of granulated materials, like for example, fertilizers, insecticides and nematicides. One of its main features is the tank, which has a wide filler cap that facilitates filling, a sieve that avoids clogging, and a shape which favors the flow by gravity to the joystick. Another important component of the equipment is the unified joystick control. This dispenser ensures the dose to be applied and the type of application, either continuous or as a dose. All this quickly and without waste. That's a saving. Pay special attention to the following. It shows how the equipment operates in the field. Another feature of the equipment is the padded strap with dual weight adjustment and the plastic frame, which ensures the equipment is much more resistant. Now we use the joystick. The first type of application is as a single dose. To apply it, release the butterfly nuts at the red dot and the butterfly nuts at the opposite ends. Position the dispenser at the required point, lock the butterfly nuts at the red dot and lock the butterfly at the opposite ends and pull the trigger. Each application will apply a precise dose. For continuous application, use as follows. Move the red lever at point 1 to half flow or point 2 to full flow. Pull the trigger and apply. Finally, unlock the red lever and the application has been completed. Now we will assemble the equipment. A key convenience of this equipment is that there is no need to use tools to assemble it, and all components fit inside the tank. The sieve, the joystick control, the hose with connection tube, the spreader, the extension tube, and a small tube. Depending on the height of the operator, the distance between the hose and the joystick tube may be adjusted. This will ensure the best comfort and accuracy during the operation. Affixed to the equipment, there is an instruction that highlights the importance of the application angle, which should not exceed 40 degrees. Friends, I'd like to thank you for your time and would like to mention the importance of properly maintaining the equipment. If you have any question, please visit our website and hope to see you next time.